Hi again, everybody. Welcome back to my online English learning YouTube channel. In this video presentation, we will be aboard the airplane. When you are aboard the airplane, you will meet the cabin crew. So, who are the cabin crew? The only people standing. They are the cabin crew. They're there to help you. So, speak to them. Have fun. Finding your seat. Sometimes aboard an airplane, you have troubles finding your seat. You can ask them, "Excuse me, can you help me find my seat?" "Excuse me, can you help me find my seat?" And the cabin crew will respond and say, "Sure, it's on the left side behind the window." "It's on the right side behind the window." To turn on or turn off the lights, you can ask the cabin crew, "Excuse me, how do you turn on the light?" "Excuse me, how do you turn off the light?" And the cabin crew will respond and say, "The light switch is below the overhead compartment." The light switch is below the overhead compartment. Maybe the cabin crew will ask you questions. For example, "What would you like to eat?" They will tell you, "Excuse me, would you like chicken or noodles?" "Excuse me, would you like chicken or noodles?" And you can say, "I would like chicken," or "I would like noodles." "What would you like to drink?" "Hi, would you like water, cola, or tea?" "Would you like water, cola, or tea?" And you can respond and say, "I would like cola," or "I would like water," or "I would like tea." Here you are. Thank you. Here you are. Thank you. And you will respond and say, "Thank you." After the cabin crew is finished serving all of the passengers, they will be returning to their seats and they will tell you, "Let us know if you need anything." So, here is a conversation practice that you can use to get ready for being aboard an airplane. The blue, the cabin crew member, will say the following: "Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines, flight number 007. We're always here to help you." "Sure, it's on the right side behind the window." "The light switch is below the overhead compartment." "Excuse me, would you like chicken or noodles?" "Excuse me, would you like water, cola, or tea?" Here you are. Thank you. Let us know if you need anything. And the passengers, the things that you may say to the cabin crew would be, "Excuse me, can you help me find my seat?" "Excuse me, how do you turn on, off the light?" "I would like chicken." "I would like noodles." "I would like water." "I would like tea." "I would like cola." Thank you. Well, my students who are going to Singapore, this is our last video presentation in preparation for you to go to Singapore. Have a safe and wonderful trip in Singapore. See you next time. Bye bye.